Hey guys, I don't know about you, but I hate tool cases where I can't see what is inside of my tool case. So today we're going to talk about quickly hacking this DeWalt TStak organizer case into a clear lid tool case. This is easy, it's quick, and these things are only 26 bucks a pop. This is an awesome solution. On the cheap, we're going to end up with this clear lid tool case and a separate organizer which can go into a rack system back there. Let's check it out. What's up, makers? We are back today, and we're not talking about statues or prop making. Today we're going to be talking about tools, equipment, and a little bit of organization. This is one of DeWalt's TStak cases. Now, if you're not familiar with these cases, they're pretty slick because they interlock together with these little tabs here, and they can also lock into a rolling cart base. And they make some other cases which fit in this system, which have drawers or a little deeper. Here's the trick with this one. You can actually gut this case really easily and turn it into a clear lid tool case, which is awesome. Let's crack this baby open and talk about the process of removing the guts. You can repurpose these inside components into something really cool, which we're gonna check out next. Okay, so part one, we open this bad boy up. There it is. There are a few clips all the way around the periphery, and I'll make sure we get a close-up of this. But essentially what you're gonna do is take a flathead screwdriver, you're gonna insert it between the divider base and the actual shell. Now let me start by saying all of these come out. Let's pull these out, right? These are your organizers, your little bins. We'll deal with those later. So you're left with these guts on the inside. This comes out as one piece. That's almost flat underneath if you actually put the effort into pulling it apart. So let's do this thing. Boom. Clip number one. I'm gonna do the side just to make sure there's no clips there. And then in the back, there's another clip. Somewhere, there it is. Another one back here. Pop it there. And then we got one more in the front. Loosen that up. Oh, now we're down to the good stuff. Look at this. Beautiful, clear lid tool case. You can see what's in there. You got plenty of room for your small tools. So I think depth on this, actually, let me measure it. No, for sure here. To a high point here, we got about 4.5 inches of height once you account for the lid, the space inside of the lid. This is big enough, like I said, for my grinder, my reciprocating saw, my jigsaw fits in one of these. My sander is also a good fit. The clear lid means I can see what's in there all the time. We're gonna ditch this tag, no need for that. Okay, so that's part one. Great deal, cheaper than the solid lid option. Now, you spent your 26 bucks, you've got your case ready to go. You're left with this divider base injection molded plastic thing after you empty out your tool case. Well, what the hell can we do with this? We got some compartments, what have you. We know our bins lock in, right? The bins lock into the base. These things are great for building a simple 1x1 and 2x4 rack that you can slide this whole tray in and out of. If you're gonna buy 4 or 5 of these cases, that means you're gonna have 4 or 5 of these insert things left over. Put them in a rack, put them in your shop. You can even make that rack rolling if you wanted to. Very handy, and you're getting 2 things for the price of 1. So that is pretty rad. So there it is, guys. We got our DeWalt TStak case, which we have hacked into 2 individual components, which gutted gives you about 4.5 inches of depth. And then it is, call it about 11 wide and about 16 long. Now you got to account for the fact that there are these little cutouts in here for the handle system, which are going to chew into your space a little bit. But still, a lot of your tools can fit into a case this size, especially if you're doing an individual case per tool, just tool and accessories. These things are awesome. Like I said, they lock together with these little latches so you can connect multiple versions of this case together. And then put the whole thing on wheels with the TStak wheel set if you wanted to. 26 bucks, 2 pieces of equipment. I don't know how you beat it. Seems pretty good to me. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll make sure to keep the prop statue type videos coming, along with a few tool hacks and tool mod type things that I'm using in my shop that I just find handy. All right, thanks guys. Have a good one. We'll see you later. Bye.